Hello everybody, today we're going to go over how to build a home exercise program using TheraXPro in under 90 seconds. First you need to log in. On the left side you want to click the exercise tab. You can filter your search options or use the smart search feature. What does a smart search feature mean? Well, let's misspell some words and see if the machine can figure out what we want. Once you find the exercise you want, you can either quick add or view it. For this first one, let's view so we can see all the editing options. As you can see, there are quite a few options we can edit, including the text instructions at the bottom. Once you typed in everything you want, hit confirm. Now the exercise is on the right drawer. The other option is to quick add an exercise, which will put it in the right drawer where you can make certain edits. To really fill out this exercise program, let's add a couple more exercises for good measure, including a stretch that requires a strap. Now let's transition to the equipment tab. You can easily search for equipment recommendations and add them to your home exercise program. Once your HEP is complete, you can either print, email, or text the exercise program to your patient. Today, let's just go for the print feature. At the top, you can add specific comments for your patient. You can also change the language, you can change the size of the images, or you can change the size of the text. Once you're satisfied with your exercise program, simply hit the print icon. Don't forget to let your patients know about the QR code, which will grant access to the video demonstrations of the moves and links to the equipment recommendations.